Beside me is not a spaceship, but the all-new Kia Sportage has just been launched here at the 2024 Kuala Lumpur International Mobility Show, and here are 5 things that you should know about it. The first thing that you should know about this is that as futuristic as this car looks, this is actually not the latest design, because there's actually a facelift model already out for the Kia Sportage, but that is restricted to only South Korea. So for now, for the rest of the world, this is what you'll be getting. But still, I think as a whole, it still looks very futuristic, if not a little bit otherworldly. Now, the Kia Sportage will be available in 4 variants. Starting with the lowest end, you get a fairly basic set of 17-inch wheels, the LED reflector headlights, LED and bulb combination tail lamps, as well as a manual tailgate. Moving on one step, we'll net you the LED fog lamps over here, the piano and satin colour for the bumpers, 4 extra front parking sensors, as well as a powered tailgate. Of course, it's the 2 higher-end variants that get all the goodies, including the LED projector headlights, full LED taillights, as well as these nicer-looking 18-inch wheels. These 4 variants are split into 2 powertrain options. The first on the 2 lower-end variants is this, the 2-litre SmartStream naturally aspirated inline 4 engine, making 154 horsepower and 192 Nm of torque. Drive is sent to the front wheels via a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The 2 higher-end variants meanwhile get the 1.6-litre turbocharged inline 4 that makes 177 horsepower and 265 Nm of torque. Now this is paired to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and depending on the variant, you get either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Like its exterior, the inside of the Kia Sportage is also very modern and very futuristic. But what you see here might not exactly be what you get, because there are actually quite a lot of differences between all of the variants. For example, this single piece of curved glass with 2 12.3-inch screens inside, this digital panel for your climate control, and this rotary switch for your gear selector, all of these are only reserved for the 2 higher-end variants. On the lower-end variants, you can expect things like a smaller infotainment display, analog instrument cluster, manual seats, or even fabric or leatherette upholstery depending on the variant that you choose. But most importantly, the lowest end, cheapest variant also misses out on all of the advanced driver assistance features, but 6 airbags comes as standard across all variants. Now, if you're a baller and you spring for the highest end variant, you'll get a 9-speaker Harman Kardon sound system for the extra money you're paying. But no matter the variant you chose, the rear aircon vents are standard. The all-new Sportage will be locally assembled right here in Malaysia, in Kulim Kedah in Innokom's assembly plant, which brings us nicely into point number 5, which is pricing. The all-new Kia Sportage is priced from 147,000 to 187,000 ringgit here in Malaysia, and included in the price is a 5-year or 100,000 kilometers vehicle warranty, as well as free scheduled service program. For more information on the all-new Kia Sportage, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.